Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will show you guys how to create CRUD in Laravel Livewire step by step, how to delete, how to insert, how to edit, how to view, how to search, validation without page refresh. So let me show you the demo first before we will start the project step by step. Stay tuned and follow along with me. Let's get this thing done. And one thing I would like to tell you, if you don't subscribe to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for more latest video. Okay, so let's get started. So here is the project. I have 0 student inside the project here. Now let's try to add a student inside the project. Alaji. You can say the full number, then mail. Created. Created successful without page refresh. You see that? Okay, we have our first record without page refresh, and we have it in 1 second ago. See, all this record is intact. And another user again, you can use another user. That means this number is this mail. Okay, and add again. We have the second user without any page refresh. Let's add the last user. The last one gonna be Fatu binti Zahra. Okay, the number, and she is female. It's created it, successful credit. So for example here, I get a mistake input. I input a mistake user, like I say student, why there should be a name, then I forgot I type here student. And now the last name gonna be Mane, number gonna be this, and it's a mail. Save it. It's already saved successfully. So here we get an error here. Okay, so how to update this thing while using the same place and the same form in Livewire? Let me show you how to do that one. This is how you do it. Just edit, click edit. You see, we have our data inside our fields here, and our update is here. So I will change this thing to Mustafa. Okay, Mane, update it. Did it successfully. You see, and if I add this amount of name and I click enter, you will say the name is required, last name is required, phone is required. So if I make it 2 here now, and you say the first name must be at least, this character, and if I add 3 is the maximum character. No, the main character is 3, so the maximum character can be up to the one you want, but I will make that one also a validation so that we can avoid some misunderstood of the data. The last name also gonna be, like if I say Silla, then it will remove. If I click this, see that we have only phone left. The phone field is required. So if the phone should be 11 characters, I think so. Yeah. I do 8 characters, what will happen? You see, the full number must be at least 10 characters. So I add another one here. Boom. We get this one. Get error because of I forgot to fix that one. Let me just show you how to fix it. It's because of this choose I leave it blank, so I need to change it. Okay, I can say Allah sila boy to this and choose email mail enter. Insert is successful. So now we can also able to search by their first name and their last name. Okay, so you can say Silla. See, we have two Silla. We have one Silla. See, and if I say Alaji, and I have one Alaji, and if I say Lamin, I have one Lamin, and if I say Zahra, I think I have one Zahra. Zahra is here, you see, you have Zahra. You see? So this is the application, how it's work. So let me show you step by step how it works. If you don't create your project, just try to pause the video and create your project and follow along with me. I will show you step by step how to install Livewire in Laravel and how to make its settings, everything to be possible, and we can start decoding step by step. Okay, so what I will do, I will open my terminal. I'm using Visual Studio Code here. So I open my terminal here. The first thing I would like to do is to set my .env. Okay, I got my database name here already, and my database name and the password, username and the password. So you can also make your .env file. You create your database name, and let's go to our PHP, my admin, and this my database that I created. If you want to create database, just click new here. You click the new, and you create your database name here. Paste it here. Database. Oops, no database. Laravel does Livewire. Okay, this is already exists here. Okay, that's my database name, and you hit this create. It will create your database for you. Okay, so the next step is let's create a migration files for our table. As you see here, I get one that the most thing I will use is this student table here. I don't mind all these ones, but the best one I will use is this student table here. So let me show you how to create a migration inside Laravel step by step. And let me I will just use it inside my terminal here. Okay, I'll use my terminal to use that one. Player, player. Okay, so inside here, if you want to create a migration file along with a model, the command that you will enter is php make model and put here the model name. My model name will be student, and minus m is the migration. Minus m is the migration part. Okay, this name is for this name. It will create the model, and the model is located inside your app and here. As you see, I created my model already. So if you want to create a model, this is the way you create a model. If I hit enter, I will have error because it will say that I have already created a model. You see, the model is already exists. Okay, so you can create your model and follow along with me and let's open our database migration inside our students here. That's our students here. We have 4 fields inside our students: first name, last name, and gender, phone. We have these 4 fields, and this one is the ID for the incrementation. Okay, so what we will do here, you can write this code for yourself because I have already made it already. I made it all with their lengths and everything is intact. So after writing this code here, what you will do, just open your open terminal again here and type php artisan migrate. Okay, and hit enter. But as for me, I will have error. Yeah, it said no to migrate, so I will use fresh to refresh my database again. Fresh, then it will refresh my database to new one. Okay, to clear everything and make it new student here. You see, our migration completed successfully. If I go to this student here now, I have 0 student inside my student. 0, you see, 0. Okay, we have the ID, first name, last name, gender, phone, created at, completed at. Okay, so this one is done. Okay, so the next one is how to install Livewire in your Laravel project. So close this. You can visit their website, their documentation. Oops. Okay, now you can click this installation here. It will lead you to this page here. So what you need to install this, you can read this page if you want to know more about Livewire. You can go through the page step by step, and I hope so you will understand more about Livewire if you read this page, because this page has everything about Livewire. Okay, so how to install it? Here is the package installation. But as for me, I have already installed it already. So just that, so you copy it like this, copy it, and you come to your terminal. I will use this terminal. Okay, then I paste it here. You see, I have already pasted it here, and I hit enter, and it will install the package for you. So you can pause the video and wait. If your package is already installed, then you can start follow along with me. Okay, because as for me, I get the package already. I have already installed the package. If you see my app here, app http, I have Livewire here. You see, Livewire is here already. So and my resources also. View, I have Livewire as well here, Livewire folder. So I have already installed it in my project. So you can pause your video and install it. After, you can follow along with me. Okay. So okay, now the next step is how to create a component. Okay, how to create a component is also easy step in Livewire. To make a component is so crucial, because Livewire is based on a component. So let me show you how to create a component in Livewire. Okay. Oh, connection. What's the connection? Okay. So now we're here. Now, if you want to make a component, use the command that you use to make a component. PHP edition make Livewire and your component name here. So let's just write our code here. Let me show you how to make a component. So just clear this. Because PHP edition make Livewire, and our component name is gonna be student CRUD. Okay, this student CRUD. Then hit enter. So you see our component created successfully. We have our class and we have our view. Our class is inside our app, HTTP, Livewire folder, and student CRUD. Here is it, HTTP app, HTTP, Livewire folder. You see student CRUD is here. This our class, our component class, and this our view is inside of resources, view, Livewire, student CRUD here. So you can come to resources, view, Livewire folder. Okay, this is student CRUD. We have it here, and our this view is empty for now. So inside my Livewire, inside here, I will create a folder called student. Let's create a folder called student, and inside the student, I will create 4 files inside the student. Okay, then create file called create student student.delete.php, our first file. Our second file, we're gonna say update student.delete.php, and our third file will be home.delete.php. Okay, it's okay. Let's just create only these files inside our student group, and this one will be the main table for the student. Okay, so here inside our home here, what I will do, I will come to the app home here, and I will try to highlight all and copy this code. I copied this code already. I come to my Livewire folder inside the student folder home here. I paste this code inside our home here because I will use this home. Okay, let me remove all this one. This one are not required for us now. Remove this. Okay, so we have this in here, but let me show you one thing what you do in Livewire. If you want to use the style and the script, you must include the style and the script inside the app.blade.php at the header and the footer. So I have just do that already. Let me show you. Open your layout app.blade.php. This is the Livewire style sheet. Okay, and this one is the Livewire script sheet. So this, you can place this one here inside the body or the footer here. You can place it here as well. all is the same. And the style sheet, it should be inside the head tag. Okay, so if this thing is done, now you are good to go. You can use the Livewire application successfully. And now the next thing that we will do, let's set our route for the post, for the home page. Okay, you come to route web.php. I will try to copy this and I paste it here, That's our route. This is our route. And you see route view. So which view are we using to access this route? Is the home view here inside our student folder. So this route here, I'll change it to CRUD student, or as student CRUD. Okay, student CRUD. This is the route, and here we have Livewire inside students dot home. I want to access this home via this route. Okay, you see inside Livewire and inside this folder, students folder, we have home here. And if I run this route here now, just copy this route, come here, and if I paste, I can do this. If I paste this thing, I hit this thing, I will get my data. You see, this is the form that I paste inside my home, the template I paste inside here. You see, this is the template that I paste. Nothing fancy, just your home. This your home. This home, it came with your Laravel. If you install it fresh, you will have this home. Just open it and highlight all the stuff there, and open your home inside your student and paste it here. That's all. Okay, so the next one here. Now what we need, the next here, we need a form here, a form to be placed here. So open your browser, you will go to the Bootstrap here, form, open it, let's search for form. I will use this, which form that I will use? I will use this form. Okay, use this form. So I will copy it here. Okay, I copied this already. So I open my project. Inside our create student here. Create student. We're gonna paste this form here. Okay, we have this form here, and inside the home, inside this CRUD here, okay, I will pass this CRUD inside this home. Okay, we can do that one here, the body. So if you want to pass that one, how to do that? You can see Livewire how to pass a form inside. You can see how to pass it. This is the way how to pass Livewire form inside your code. Okay, this is the way you can pass it inside here like this. So you can pass it like this in your blade. Okay, so just copy this if you want, copy it and come to your blade here, paste it here, and this name, the counter name, I will change the counter name to my page name here. Okay, so this page name is uh, student dash CRUD. That's my page name. Okay, so I pass this thing here. I can say that if I do anything inside the student here, like if I say h1 hello world, hello, it's okay. And if I come and refresh here, I will see my text here. You see, world hello. Okay, so now inside this page here, I will place my this create. I will include this create student and the update student inside this page here. Okay, and our table also will be inside this page. So let's bring a table from here to make it once and for all. Let's set a table. Search for a table. This is the table. Okay. Just say la bootstrap table to make it easier for you. Select the table that you want, bootstrap table. I will use this table because I don't want design. Okay, I will use one table from here. I will use this table. Okay, copy it, come here, paste it here, and I'm gonna use this one. So if I come and refresh my page here, and you will see underneath here you will have a table. You see, we have our table here now. I've used this table for our data. So let's try to set the table name. First name, last, and phone. You have here, you have gender, and this one is updated at, updated at, updated at, updated, updated at, and this one will be action for our edit and delete button portion. Come here and refresh it. We have it like this. Okay, everything is working fine for us now here. So let's call our form inside here now. How to call it? As I told you, just do at livewire. Okay, livewire, do this. Then you're gonna pass your field name here. The name gonna be create. Okay, gonna be create dash student. That's the name that we're gonna pass here. And if I refresh my page, I may have the form here. Okay, we have error because the component create student does not exist. Let's check. The create student. This is the create. Okay, forget about something. Livewire instead gonna be students dot create student. Okay, hit enter. What's the problem? having this problem. Okay, just come here, recruit student CRUD here. You pass this thing here, and students that is do this, and it should work though. And why it's not working? What's the error? Refresh. We're able to find the component for this. Okay, this one is gonna be okay. Now what we do, let's include it. Okay, let's include this. Include. So pass this name here and remove this one and remove this one as well. So let's refresh, and we're gonna have something error. First, the view students create student not found. Something is okay. Gonna say something here. Gonna be like where dot student. Okay, now it's found already. Now it's working. See, we have our form here. This is our form. This is our table. So I just need only 4 forms, 4 fields with 1 button. So I will come inside here, the create here. We just need only this, this ones, and we don't need this one. We don't need it. I don't need this one also. Remove it, and I don't need this portion. I may need it, but I don't need this one. This city input. Yeah, let me just leave it here. I need this one. Just cut this. Okay, and then select. We need this one also, but we don't need this one here, and we don't need this one also here. Okay, so this is gonna be create. We're gonna be create button first. Let's view it. Let's refresh our page. We have 4 here. We have this and this and this. Okay, and then you just need to make it like 4. I think it's better. 4 is better. This one also gonna be 4. This one also gonna be. This is gonna be 3, and this is gonna be 2. So refresh it. You get this thing here. Oh, we still have some error. Okay, I'll fix it out. Where is it? This one here. This is the point. Okay, we have it like this, and still we need to reduce something from here to make it 2, the full number. Okay, it's good like this. Now we have our data. Our form is ready, and this input, I'm gonna make one style here. Style float. It's gonna be right. Okay, this is right here, right corner here. Okay, and we have to do a margin dot, you can say 8%, and check that one. working. Margin top, margin bottom 8%. It's not working. Okay, I will fix it later. So let's check this thing is gonna be yes. I don't need this ID. I don't need the placeholder needed. You can say interface name, interface name, and this one here. I'm gonna paste it here. Oops, yeah. Do this. Enter last name, and we don't need the ID. Remove the ID. The form control is okay, and this is gonna be last, okay, and this is gonna be full. We don't need the ID. We just need the placeholder. Copy this placeholder and put it here. Change this to phone. That's what you want, okay. And this thing should be text. Change all to text. You don't require any email for now. And this state gonna be choose a gender, okay. And this select choose, we have one option. I will place this one here. This is gonna be male with a value. Let's get value called 0, and this one here will be the female with a value called 1. Okay, let's check it out. Boom. Okay, so we have our text, first name, last name, full number, and gender. Okay, so this our design for this video. Our next video, I will start to make our insert part, okay, so that we can able to insert our first data into our database, okay, step by step. So stay tuned and see you next video. Allah bless you. Goodbye.